plentiful fishes provide a good living for the anhinga. An expert underwater fisherman, the anhinga spears rather than grabs its catch. This is an effective technique, but requires some tricky maneuvering to get the fish into its mouth. The anhinga is closely related to the cormorant. After each fishing expedition, it must spread out its wings to dry in the sun and oil its feathers. Another fisherman with a completely different technique. The fish eagle catches its prey on the wing, but doesn't always succeed. That was a bit close for comfort. The eagle could drown if it gets